Hi guys, today I'm in a home cleaning and motivational collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Soniadownsouth.
Guys, I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator from all the holiday foods and just refreshing it up and showing you how I restack things and organize them in my refrigerator. So that's the first thing I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to take everything out and then I'm going to clean it, wipe it down. And I'm using Joy dishwashing liquid just to give it a little refresh and to make it clean. So that's the first thing I'll be doing. So basically, I just want you to watch me as I clean my refrigerator, and then I'm gonna restack some things in it to straighten it up and make it very organized. Now, I'm sorry if you see this light flashing. That's the refrigerator telling me that the doors have been open too long. So it's gonna probably do that off and on for a lot of times because I'll have the doors open as I take things out and put things back in. So then I would have to close it for a minute just so the light could stop flashing and that sound that it makes to stop making that noise. So that's what's going on as you see it now. As you see, I am taking out some baking soda, but it's pretty fresh. It's still new, so I'm going to put it right back. But I put baking soda in the back of my refrigerator just to keep everything smelling fresh. Baking soda is known for keeping a refrigerator with a smell that's fresh. So I always add baking soda to my refrigerator, open container of baking soda. When I'm not at the refrigerator, I'm over at the sink washing the containers that's going to be placed inside of my refrigerator, washing each one of them to just freshen them up a little bit. And then as I close the door back and forth, as I told you earlier, when the lights start flashing and the sound comes on, I have to close it for a few minutes because it's saying I have it open too long. So that's what I'm doing. If you notice some of the little black dots that's on the containers, they are labels, and I've labeled them. One is drinks and the other one is fruit. I'd started labeling my containers and I stopped, so I need to go back and do that. But for right now, if you're wondering what these little black dots are, they're labels. What you can't see very well is I'm cleaning out the storage with the bigger bins where I put the potatoes and onions and different heavier items at the bottom, and I'm just wiping it down and just moving it over a little bit because those items are kind of heavy, and I just want to wipe the refrigerator door shelves off a little. Guys, when you see me washing some of the doors, the shelves, without taking them off, it's because they are either stuck or I just don't know how to take them off, but I just need them to be clean, so I'll let them stay on and I'll just wash inside with the towel. Guys, every 6 months you need to put in a new water filter. We just purchased this one from Home Depot, and it's a Samsung water filter. My husband is putting in. So every 6 months we change it out.
Okay guys, here's the finished cleaned refrigerator. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and if there's something about refreshing your refrigerator and cleaning it out from holiday foods would help you to be more inspired with this video, and also to organize your refrigerator so to have easy access of all your items. Thanks for watching. May God bless you. May God keep you.